Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my art channel Art Club and 100 Days of Sketching Challenge. Yes guys, this is Vijay here, and on this channel I share drawing and sketching tips regularly. And yes, this is the 44th day of my sketching challenge, and today we're gonna do the sketching on the birds. But which bird is there? Let's see in few minutes. Yes guys, so today again I will welcome you and we can start this today's sketching session, and for that we have choose actually the bird owl. So we're gonna do a sketching and nice study about this bird. So before start, I will request you, if you're new for my channel, please subscribe my channel and press notification bell icon so you will get all the update about upcoming videos and the events. So guys, as I said that we're gonna start sketching on the bird owl. So owl is the one of the fantastic bird, and most of the design they use the owl as a motto or the nice design pattern they use. So a lot of design you must have seen. So let's go and see what reference we have and we can start the sketching. Yes, this is the fantastic owl is there, and we're gonna do the study about owl. And if we have a time today, so we can do a nice face study specifically. So we'll do that also. Yes, so you can see there it's like a front or little 3/4 face of the owl, and the body is almost in a profile pose. So we have to see that, and if you see that the head is look like a kind of cuboid or the box. So somehow I feel that it look like that. So go let's do the sketching as per that. So we can start here actually. So what I can see is that quickly what I want to sketch, so I can see this is the cube, and from here so this is the angle actually of owl. The body portion is something like this. So if I have to compare the head position and the length of that, yeah, so it is more or less there, can be little longer. And yes, as I see that the neckline is almost something like straight, and after that this is the curvature. of the body. Curve is there, and here also there's and yes, wings are actually from here it is starting. Something like this. This wing has little bulge on this. So this particular wing, I can say that this portion is little separate, then this portion is separate, little some feathers here, and this is, you can see the inside structure or the inside part of the wings. So the overlaps feathers, and you can see this nice rhythm in body. As that everybody know that the owl can turn his head 360-degree, so that's why it's nice rhythm is coming here, the nice twist. And yes, this is the center line, and as per this the feathers will be, and the leg, I can see this is the one leg, and other one I can draw here. You can observe this negative space, that is how you can actually get the things right. Here also I can see this specific negative space. And this is the thickness or the roundity of the legs. Now here there is, I can see hardly because it's covered by the rock. Only some of the part I can see here. So this is how the overall gestures, I can see it here, or the proportion we drawn first, and we'll go detail with the one by one part. So here I can, as I said, that the face is round, and I can see this curvature round, and this way it is joined. Here, and the body, which I said this straight part and sway. If it is, then let's go out. Yeah, so this is what the out portion has to be done properly. And here what I can see, the beak portion. So I'm comparing this space now. Here the space is more, and if you go up the space is less. So you have to keep that in the mind and the corner now. And here is the eyebrow portion. It's very interesting. Eyebrow portion is very nicely, it is something like design, very subtle way. And that is the main identity of the owl, I feel. So here that beak portion is come out, and this is in depth. So literally you can see this way, the wireframe, I can say. This is the beak portion. And all the feathers are there on that. And here also you can see this structure. And on the top also these lines are moving this way. So instead of flat, it can be little round. And this line also can be more roundity. So you can see this basic wireframe, I can say. That way the roundity of the body part is there, and whatever the texture will be go on this same direction. Now here is the eye portion. Very beautiful eyes the owl has. We'll do the study of that also. Here is the feather lines. The same direction what is the contour lines are there. I can reduce this a bit. Yes, and now almost we're done with the face. And we come to here. So this is the patch. You can see the white patch is there, and now the wings. So wings also has this roundity. They are not flat, they also have a bulginess, so that is what you can able to follow this. If you make these, the patterns or design is there on his feathers. So if you can carefully watch this specifically portion, so that way how it is, then yeah, these are the small lines, so feather indication of that. And again this patch, so there also these lines. So this also we are following the curvatures. Yeah, so that way we done almost, and this is the small lines what we can add as to show the roundity of. So some of the lines I'm making a little darker. So this way it is there, and the shadow part, if we can see, this is the shadow part. So shadow gives nice depth. Yes, so that is how the thing is that, and now I'm just when seeing the oral picture, I feel that the head has to be little smaller, or I can just increase the body size. So it will look nice and in the proportion. Yes, now that much better. So that way we did the owl entire, and I have some reference which is the only the face. So we'll do little bit study about that. So this is this face we have, and wow, so superb, nice big eyes, and that is also red. So you will be able to see now there is a lot of different pattern texture you can see on their body, and a lot of variation in some of the parts. So if I go and study here, so nice kind of U kind of shape is there. It's amazing. And from this, if I draw lines, and yeah, this is something dimension wise, it's fantastic thing I can see here. So this is the inside portion. Here again also it's the same way. So this way this socket is, and this way this eye socket. Wow, I really appreciate these photographers whoever done this so much of efforts, and I specifically want to acknowledge them. Because of them I'll able to do this wonderful sketching and study. lot of details in the eye, specifically the eye portion, I can say, and eyeball specifically. And I know somehow because of these lines is always I feel a little angry or the furious expression is always there on owl face. Here also if you see this the border and plus there is a thickness, a different thickness. Here it is a little outside like this. So those are very interesting part, actually we should study them in a details. Then there's a white patch is here, and then brown, and all these things in these directions. And from here the beak start. And here also you can see the lower portion of beak. So this is actually the gap. And on that this feathers or small hairs, we can see it. So this is the roundity of beak. And here also you can see which is the brown patch. Wow. Wow, that is super study. I love these patterns. And because of the depth, always these eyes will be in the dark portion or shadow. Yes, guys, so that was the sketch for today, and the owl, the bird, what we did.